Good morning. This is the 7th video. So today we start new thing, division algorithm. Yeah, please. Today we start division algorithm for polynomials. Okay. See, suppose if px and gx are two polynomials, okay, and px is divided by gx. So it's like this: px is divided by gx. One polynomial divided by other polynomial. Then the results, what we get, qx as quotient, rx as remainder. Then we get, see, when a polynomial is divided by another polynomial, the results we get, quotient and remainder, will also be polynomials. These also be polynomials. So then we get qx as quotient, yes, qx as quotient and rx as remainder. And what is the relationship between these four things? And we have, yes, you know this already, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This we have already discussed in other videos. You know that when px is divided by gx, we get qx quotient, rx remainder. This is called dividend. This is called divisor, and this is quotient, okay, and this is remainder. Yes. So when px is divided by gx, we get qx as quotient, rx as remainder. And what is the relationship between these four things? We have dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So px is equal to gx into qx plus rx, where rx is sometimes 0, this rx sometimes it will be 0, or degree of rx, degree of rx is always smaller than degree of gx. Degree of rx is always smaller than degree of gx, and in some cases rx will be 0 also, 0 or that. So this rule is called what? This is called division algorithm. Yes, please take the note. This is called division algorithm. Clear? So what is the meaning of division algorithm? When px is divided by gx, we get qx as quotient and rx as remainder. What is the relationship between these four things? Px is equal to gx into qx plus rx, where rx is sometimes 0 and that. Okay, one important note please. This is an important note. If remainder is 0, suppose, I can write better like this. If px is divided by gx, and if we get remainder 0, then gx is called a factor of px. Yes, this is very important note. Whenever we get remainder 0, no, then gx is called a factor of px. This is one important note. Clear please? Yes. So we start now. So how to divide one polynomial by other polynomial? That we have to start. Yes, you see some cases how the question is given. It was already there in 9th class. Divide one polynomial by another polynomial. Yes. So how we divide it? You see, it is just given divide. So of course divide means what? We get two things, quotient and remainder. Okay. This is divided by x minus 1. Yes, we start. See, for this division, it was already there in 9th class. Remember, polynomials chapter. Okay, so 10th class also this is there. So for this, you have to use the basic rules. What that? You should know this. X into x is x square. In multiplication, when bases are equal, powers are added. 1 plus 1, 2. X into x square is x cube. Bases are equal, powers are added. 1 plus 2, 3. X square into x square is x4. Why please? Bases are equal, powers are added. 2 plus 2, 4. What is x square into x cube? x5. Because 2 plus 3, 5. So these basic rules you should know. Laws of exponents. Clear? So same rules we are using here, you see. You should decide that. Please see, when I do 2, 3 questions, then you get the idea. How we decide, you see. X into what? X into what? You get 5x cube. You should think. So x into 5x square will be 5x cube. Because see, x into x square is x cube. Okay, that's why x into 5x square, 5x cube. Suppose if here 15 is there, you take here 15, like that. Okay, so x into 5x square, 5x cube, minus 1 into 5x square, minus 1 into 5x square, minus 5x square. We multiply 2 times. X into 5x square, 5x cube, minus 1 into 5x square, minus 5x square. Okay. Now what happens, this plus becomes minus, this minus becomes plus, always. It changes. The signs changes. Plus becomes minus, this minus becomes plus. This is normal division. For example, 17 divided by 3, so what you do? 3 5s are 15. So definitely you subtract, no? 17 minus 15, 2. So here we have to take actually subtraction, minus sign. So that's why this plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, cancel. First term gets cancelled always. Plus 2 plus 5, plus 2 plus 5 plus 7. Yeah, plus 5 plus 2 plus 7, and this is same. Everything same. Now, again you should think. X into what? I get this. See, I must get exactly same. X into 7x. Plus 7x, because here plus is there. X into 7x, 7x square, minus 1 into 7x, minus 7x. Because minus into plus minus, 1 into 7x, 7x. Now this plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, cancel. Always the first term must get cancelled. First term. What is minus 11x plus 7x? Minus 4x plus 7. Again, x into what? I should get this. X into minus 4. Yes, because here minus 4 I have to get. X into minus 4 minus 4x. Minus 1 into minus 4. Minus minus plus, 1 4s are 4. Yes. Minus minus plus, 1 4s are 4. Now what happens? This minus becomes plus, plus becomes minus, cancel. Every time you see first term gets cancelled. What is plus 7 minus 4? 3. Finished. What is the answer we get? We get quotient this, okay, and remainder what? Rx what? 3. Finish. This is quotient, this is remainder, that we get. Got it? Suppose if you get 0, remainder 0, then you know this is called, x minus 1 is called a factor of this. Like for example, 12 divided by 3, 3 fours are 12, 12 minus 12 0. When you get 0, this 3 is called what? Factor of 12, like that. This is called factor of this, if you get 0. Okay, but it is just said divide, so we divide it, we got. Clear? Now, see more cases. Divide. Now I am doing textbook examples also. Divide 3x cube plus 2x square plus x square plus 2x plus 5 by, yes, this is a question. This is textbook question. Okay. So please see. It is said divide this 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 divided by what? X square plus 2x plus 1. Yes. See one thing, whenever you divide, no, these powers must be in descending order. 3, 2, 1, even here and here also. So you should rearrange them. First you write x square, then 2x, then 1. It should be in descending order. Clear? Now start. X square into what? You get x cube. You should think. We know that x square into x, x cube. So x square into 3x. X square into 3x, 3x cube. Then 2x into 3x. 2 3s are 6, x into x, x square. 1 into 3x, 3x. Now plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. This cut. What is minus 6 plus 1? How much minus 6 plus 1? Minus 5. What is minus 3 plus 2? Minus 3 plus 2 minus 1x. See, you must know these basic operations, please. No confusion in this. 4 operations. When plus 2 plus 3 is there, plus 5. When both are plus, we add. Right? Both are plus, we add. Plus 2 plus 3 plus 5. If both are minus, we add. Minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. But after adding we put minus sign. If both are minus, we add, but sign will be minus only. Plus 2 plus 3 plus 5, minus 2 minus 3 minus 5. But if one is minus, one is plus, we subtract. That time we subtract. And after subtracting, we write the sign of greater number. So 3 minus 2, 1. What is the greater number? Plus. Plus, like that. See, like this. One more case. One is plus, one is minus. What we do? We subtract. If one is plus, one is minus, we subtract. After subtracting the greater number sign, 3 minus 2, 1. What is the greater number? Minus. So minus 1. So these are the basic operations. So here also, what is minus 3 plus 2? Minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 plus 5. Now, x square into what? You get this. You have to think. Because you must get the same. X square into minus 5. I get this. X square into minus 5 minus 5x square. 2x into minus 5 plus into minus minus 2 5s are 10x. Plus into minus minus 1 5s are 5. Minus becomes plus. 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 Cancel. Plus 10 minus 1 9x. Plus 5 plus 5 10. We stop now. Why? The reason what? This degree, 1 is lesser than this degree, whenever you get this degree smaller than this divisor, we stop. So what is the answer? What we get? Quotient is 3x minus 5 and remainder is 9x plus 10. This is the answer, please. Quotient and remainder. Okay. Then next question. Yes, one more textbook example. Divide. This is also textbook question. Divide 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5 by, divide that by x minus 1 minus x square, and verify division algorithm. Yes. So this is the question. So it is said what? First we have to divide and verify the division algorithm. We start. First write in order. First minus x cube. See, this comes first. X cube comes first. Minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5. Write in order first. Even this divisor also write in order first. Minus x square plus x. Okay, then start. Minus x square into what? I get minus x cube. Just x. Because minus x square into x minus x cube. X into x, x square, minus 1 into x, minus 1x, finished. 3 times you have to multiply because here 3 numbers are there. Minus x square into x minus x cube, x into x, x square, minus 1 into x, minus 1x. This becomes plus, this becomes minus, this becomes plus, cancel. 3x square minus 1x square, this is 1, minus 1. What is 3x square minus 1x square? 2x square. What is 3x and plus 1x? See, this sign will change now. Minus becomes plus. What is minus 3 plus 1? You know, minus 2. So, minus 2x. This is plus 5. Now, minus x square into what? You get this. Minus 2. Why? Because minus minus plus 2x square. X into minus 2 minus 2x. Minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2. Plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus becomes minus. This cut. Plus 2x minus 2x cut. What is plus 5 minus 2? 3. Finished. We stop there. So, what is quotient? We get quotient x minus 2 and remainder 3. Yes. And now we have to verify it. You say verification. It is said verify division algorithm. When it is said, we do the verification. What is the division algorithm? So first for verification, let us take this is px. This we take px. Minus x cube 3x square minus 3x plus 5. This we take px. This is gx. That is qx. For verification we write all this. What is rx? Yes. So what is division algorithm? We write division algorithm is px is equal to gx into qx plus rx. This is division algorithm. Okay. So what is px? This is px. Minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to gx. This is gx into rx. Gx into qx plus rx. Rx is 3. So So after dividing we verify it. Yes, see this is same. Minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to, we multiply it, gx into qx plus rx, minus x square into bracket x into bracket minus 1 into bracket, we multiply it, plus 3. Okay, then this is same, minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to minus x square into x minus x cube minus minus plus 2x square x into x square x into 2x minus 1x minus minus plus 1 2s are 2. Yes, finally what you are getting, this is same, minus x cube 2x square plus x square 3x square minus 2x minus x minus 3x plus 5. Check the answer, you got both the sides same. See, hence verified. Clear? Yes. So this completed. Divide and verify. Okay. Now, what is there in the last exercise of this chapter 2.3? First question, divide px by gx. Yes, you see the first bit. Now the textbook questions. X cube px is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 gx x square minus 2. Now we do the last exercise. Yes, gx. So what is said here? Divide px by gx. That's all. So this is px and we have to divide it by gx. Okay, x square minus 2. So x square into what? X cube. That we have to think, x square into x cube, then 2 into x, 2x, where we write, x square into x cube minus 2 into x minus 2x, we write here. Yes, minus 2 into, under x we write x square into x cube minus 2 into x minus 2x, we write here. Then this plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, cancel, this is same. Plus 5x plus 2x 7x, this is same. Clear? Now x square into what you get this? X square into minus 3, minus 3x square, minus into minus plus, 2 3s are 6, this becomes plus, this becomes minus, cancel, this is same. What is minus 6 minus 3? Minus 9. So what is the answer? Quotient is, we get, this is quotient, this is remainder. Finished. We got the answer. Quotient and remainder. Clear? Second bit. Px x4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 gx x square plus 1 minus x. Yes, same thing, it is just said divide. Px divided by gx. So one thing here please, see after x4 x cube should be there. After x4 you see x cube is not there, so we take 0x cube. If any term is missing, we take 0. After x4 0x cube, 3x square, 4x plus 1 5 divided by what? Yes, you should write in order. X square minus x plus 1. Now start. X square into x square x4 minus x into x square minus x cube 1 into x square 1x square. Change the signs. Plus becomes minus, becomes plus, becomes minus, cut. Plus x cube and 0x cube is plus x cube. Minus x square. See, this means 1. Minus 1 and minus 3 minus 4. And everything same. Now x square into x, x cube, minus x into x, x square, 1 into x, x. Okay? Then this plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, cancel. Minus 4x square and plus 1x square. How much? Minus 4 plus 1 minus 3. 4x minus x, 3x. Now x square into minus 3, minus 3x square. X square into minus 3x square minus x into minus 3 plus 3x. 1 into minus 3, changing the signs, plus, minus, plus, cancel. Always you see first term gets cancelled. 3x minus 3x cut, plus 5 plus 3, 8. So what you get? Quotient this, remainder 8. Okay. So I am giving, these are the answers of last video. Okay. I am giving some practice questions. Yes, these are the practice questions. And you can check the answers in next video. Divide 5x cube plus 7x square minus 11x minus 19 by x square plus 1. Divide x4 minus 5x square plus x minus 8 by this. So these answers you can check in the next video. So we stop today. Next class we can. Thank you.